Weekly time frame bullish, very nice. Well, gotta keep our eyes on the market structure. Oh, look at that support created. Let's see. 1.09 flat. Well, it works. 1.09 flat. Let's see. Let's kinda. What shall we do? I'm removing that big zone. I'm just gonna mark it with supports just to show where we're buying off from. Alright. So going up is the least of our concerns, of course, because we're ready to go up. Let's see here. Let's see right over here. We want to continue going up because look at the 4-hour candle. Very nice 4-hour candle. Daily candle. Very nice daily candle. Can we get a bullish push up, continuation push up? So where would that be? So there is a 250 level here. And guys, I trade with quarter points. So if you don't know what a quarter point is, it's every 25 pips. Okay, so what we would say is we kind of want price to come back down to this area. Is what price is looking like it could potentially do. If price pushes above this area also, I'd be completely fine with it. So looking at it here, here, here. Potential is there, as you can see. Previously we've done a similar thing. So it's just all about waiting right now. So if I were to look at Euro USD and analyze it, right? Let's just do a complete breakdown to show us what confluences we have. Okay. Let's go to the weekly. How did the previous weekly close? Bullish engulfing. So our weekly is bullish. Now let's look at the daily. Daily, previous daily, super bullish, current daily also bullish, so that doesn't stop us. Okay, 4-hourly time frame bullish. The market structure has just been bullish the entire time. Hourly time frame bullish. So right now it's completely bullish. My bias for this pair is buys slash longs. And what else? My sentiment. Oh, not my sentiment, the market sentiment. Let's see. Okay, let's just refresh this tab. 87% short, which is perfect. Okay. Probably what we'd like to mark up and say is where we are. We're at a weekly resistance. That's a point that we want to reiterate and make sure that we remember, because since we are at a weekly resistance, we are identifying that yes, we could potentially have some trouble in this area, right? So let's see. Location. Previous weekly resistance, right? So what are we waiting for? So we got a higher time frame and lower time frame alignment. Okay, so this is looking very nice. Let's see. I most likely am going to enter long on this trade. The only thing is it's about 20 pip stops if I were to look at it like that. Any other time frames, I could look at a potential 16 pip stop. 30 minute. Let me just see. What are we looking at? Euro USD 20 minute. Yeah, I think 15-minute stops are looking good. But yeah, I think that's as good as it's gonna get, especially with the 45. So maybe 15, about a 15 pip stop, looking at a potential 50 pip move, which I will be taking. So let's see. The risk will be 1.5% on this trade, because I really like the confluences in this trade and I want to give myself some room to breathe. So let's see. We're gonna go. Let's let this candle close right over here. Then we take a trade. Let's see. Let's see. That's looking good. I like the way price is setting up. How many pips would that be? 23. So that'll be, if I were to take it that way, it'd be 2300, which I do not want to take that way. Let's see. I'd use a 5 lot and a 5 lot, of course, a combination of 2 5s. Yeah. To make little over, maybe, let's say our target should be around 3 to 5%. So that should be a good target. So hopefully we can get a good trade over here. Let's see. Guys, if you're tuning in, hit that like button, say what's up in the chat. If you're new here, please say hi. And also hit that like button. Okay, I'm looking to buy GU right over here. So I'm looking to have two positions. One position with around 15 pip stops. Right over here. 18 pip stops, and the other with around 25 pip stops almost. So that should be good. But we should continue trading above is what I'm hoping for. Let's see. Alright, it's closed. I've put my entry in. First position has given me a good, what is this now? 17 pip stop. That's good, that's good. When we tap this level over here, I'd look at further entries. Right, you can see how this would work. Actually, I don't mind taking another entry right now with a similar stop. H4 to continue up. Yeah, come down a little further. I'd like to take another entry with a similar stop. 4 pips, beautiful. Alright, I'm just gonna add a second entry and hold my stops below this level. My total risk is 1.3%. Okay, and let's just do this. My total reward, what's my total reward gonna be? 500, we'll go to 750 first. Then we look at the flat level. Flat level, we'll look at 250. Okay, so right over here. When we look at, let's look at the slightly higher time frames to place our take profits. Okay, that's looking good. Our target is gonna be what is it? 7%. We just need around 2.9k. Awesome. So that is our target up here of around 57 pips. Let's see if we can get it. Well, we're now in it. Let's see, can we get it to win it? What is my approximate entry? 540. Let's go. Maybe we can hit the 2QP target. That'd be fantastic. So, break-even trigger and TP1. So this will be your break-even trigger. This will be our TP1. If you're new here, guys, say what's up. Let us know what you're looking at. The reason why I took this trade is because beautiful rejection of the 1.09500 level, which we broke through this morning to give us a good break of these highs, forming bullish market structure. You can see how the market structure is going up. Looking for further continuation on the bullish move. You can see previous 4-hour candle closing above that area also very strongly. So looking for continuation to the upside from this level, hopefully without a deep pullback. So let's see. Let me know, is anyone in this trade? Is anyone in this trade with me? We're looking at a potential strong bullish move now coming on EU at the New York session. Let's see. So let's see what's gonna happen. One position is a 0.5% risk and one position is a 0.8% risk. So both these positions, again, they sum up to 1.3%, which has a potential to give me a 7% return, which is good. Right over here, so it's 1,300 risk for potential 6% gain. Yeah. So 1:4 relatively, yeah. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are in the chat. Firstly, hit that like button if you're not already. Secondly, hit that subscribe button. And if you're new here, say what's up in the chat. Would love to get to know everyone. We manage our risk tightly and make sure we're not over risking or over trading. Okay, don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Also use the chat so we know where you guys are coming from, what you guys are looking at. Okay, look at it. Can we make a nice big move to the upside? So I'm hoping to take this account from 1.2% in profit to finishing this. Let me show you the trading portal, because we do it fully transparent over here. Let me show you. Let me just check any personal details up there. No password, nothing, right? Yeah. So this is the account we're trading right now. 1.96%. We've passed the minimum trading days, which was 5, and now we are at 1.2% in profit, you could say. Let's see how our Euro USD trade plays out. Let's see whether this is a retest or we're gonna full-blown reject this area or not. We got strong confluences to continue up, so let's continue looking. All right, let's go for it. Let's see how it plays out. And in the evening, we will also be trading futures. So if you guys are sticking around for that, maybe in an hour or two, we slowly start looking at the NASDAQ. Look at taking some nice trades on the NASDAQ. Let's see. What does EUGU wanna do? Is this a retest or are we rejecting? Are we gonna like fake out over here? What is gonna happen now? Let's see, GBP USD. Oh, bearish candles. Very nice. Let's just move that. Alright, you can see the daily market structures that I've marked out previously. If you want these markets, you can get it on our Twitter. It should be posted on our Twitter where you can see what exactly we're looking for. So yeah, here you go. On our Twitter you can see the market structures always sent out. Every week I send the market structures out. Not just every week, every day I send the market structures out. So let's see what's gonna happen. Price looks like it's trying to break down. We had a small spike below the level. No problem. Just be patient and wait. This could potentially give us the ability to reduce our stops. If we go up and engulf, we get to bring one stop further up and turn it into 0.25% risk. That'd be fantastic. Let's see this 5-minute candle closure. Come on, give us a nice rejection candle to continue up. Nice big rejection candle. Bullish engulfing one. That should break these highs and keep moving on up. CGU. Okay, so 4-hour time frame, there's a struggle right over here. We've come to this level twice, okay, which I actually need to pull this out from there and bring that over here. If you look at it, 2 times we've come to this area and we have rejected it. So that's a very strong sell zone in my personal opinion, which we have to keep an eye out for. So more of my market structures are gonna move down here. I think this one is slightly higher. Yeah, 406. Yeah, so more of the market structures have moved down here, and we're looking more confidently at these if we break this low or that high. Primarily, yeah, because we're trading within this range right over here. What is nice is we went up, we rejected, but the problem is we took out these small minor highs, right? So that's what we need to be cautious of because of taking out the small minor highs. Let's see. Price is rejecting the zone, which is good for us on Euro USD. Let's see. What do you guys think? Win? Are we gonna win this or are we gonna lose this? What's gonna happen? Win this trade or lose this trade? Don't be scared to put it in the chat. Don't feel shy. Okay, so when we look at it on GU, GBP USD weekly. We didn't close bullish, we closed bearish. Let us just do our analysis on it. Okay, then daily. As we look at it, we closed bullish, but the daily market structure is bearish. Right? So on GBP USD, the daily market structure is bearish. Let's see, is Euro cracking down now? What's happening? Potentially looks like it wants a small pullback. 5-minute candle just closed. We need to continue closing candles above this level, above this zone. So this is a 15-minute candle also that just closed. We're waiting for candle closures above the zone. Okay, so daily candle also the same way. 4 hourly candles bearish. And the hourly time frame, unfortunately, bearish slash ranging, you could say. Okay, so what would our bias be? Our bias would actually be sells slash shorts because no market structure is supporting it at all. What would our sentiment be? Let's see what the sentiment says. Mixed, 52% short. Again, that is no good because when you have a mixed confluence, that doesn't help you, but I think if you have enough time frames in your favor, it should work out. Alright, let's see. What are we doing? Still pretty much in the same place. We're right at that quarter point. Are we gonna push down? Or what? Let's bring that up there. Yeah, if we break this low on the 5-minute time frame, I wanna be out. So if we break 430, one stop loss is at 430. That would be $465. I can actually bring both the stop losses up there so that won't take us below. Yeah, I'm gonna close my entire trade out once we break this 5-minute market structure. Right, if we take out this previous low, it's clearly showing us that we want to sell off. So that time I want my trades to close. So at this point, I'd completely be out of my entire positions. Let's see. So looking at the lower time frame, looking at it, not going to let the lower time frame go against us too much. Primarily looking at the 10 pip stop that we have over here. Yeah, it should be around, yeah, 10 to 12 pip stop. Because if the lower time frame starts flipping bearish, then you primarily don't want to be in that trade, right? You want the lower time frame and the higher time frame to be in confluence. So let's see what happens. Will we stay in confluence? Or will we start breaking down and rejecting? Alright, so GBP USD, very nice market structures. Just honestly, I would just sit on my hands and wait for GBP USD. Because of the market structures, like look at it. Even if is this a sell zone? Yeah, that's kind of a sell zone. Previous sell zone. No, this is the strongest sell zone out there. So, okay, so we're keeping it the same. Let me just set an update. Okay, we might get stopped out on this when price taps 430. Let's see. All depends on how strongly price wants to go and break the structure. And if price wants to break the structure. Let me, I think we can post an update. Let's post update on our analysis. Okay, 5-minute close nicely on EU. I'd like it if it continued up, that would be fantastic. 12-minute looks good, like it's gonna flip. 15-minute also looking good, 15-minute just flipped. 20-minute looking good because it looks like it wants to stay above. Well, we're about to find out. The market is volatile, so keep your eyes peeled, watching. Okay. Let's see. I wouldn't say this is the most ideal sell. Normally I like to buy from a support. This one I'm expecting a continuation move, more of a continuation on the higher time frame. To continue moving on up with volume. So yeah, would this be an ideal sell? I wouldn't call it an ideal buy, sorry, long. Because normally you want a long from a support, like a decent support. This one is at a support, but what happens is, like, it's nice to buy when you have a support like this, right? And in the morning I was in a trade from here, going up here, but now also it looks pretty decent. But what happens is, if you had a support like this, you'd be a lot more confident. Now as price starts closing above this zone, we need price to close above 500. Strong, nice and strong candles closing above 500. That'll give it strength to continue pushing. But what I did notice was, whenever you have a lot of rejection candles like this, like when you look at the hourly time frame, it's normally never a good sign, but there is still potential to continue. Because I mean, if you're saying those are rejection candles, then of course it's a little shady. Let's see. Will price tumble back down, or will price get above 500? Okay, GU, let's look at some AUD USD. Too big, and it just dropped super hard. USD CAD, interesting. Potential shorts coming in. I think, look at this, USD CAD, huge rejection from a higher time frame resistance. The potential is crazy. Now, how do I view this? Yeah, unsend post. Just give me this. Yeah. So USD CAD. Okay, firstly, looks like price is rejecting. That's good for us. But USD CAD, look at this. Rejection after rejection. We take out this low. We retest like this previously. We can surely come down. That should be at least 2 QPs. 50 pips. Yeah, surely we can come down. And if we break this market structure low, guys, we can just say bye-bye. We can really go for it. Yo, why suddenly everything is bleeding? Crypto, gold, global stock market. Just take a look at what was happening this morning, Iris. This morning was a horrific morning for a lot of things. If you look at it, look at the rumors of the wars. They're talking about Iran potentially attacking. They're talking about, firstly, also the minutes of the monetary policy of Bank of Japan came out this morning, right? Guys, 8 of us, hit that like button and also put your comments in. Yogami, what's good, man? And so, yeah, you can see the rumors of the wars being really crazy right now. EU members are also likely to impose tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles. That's crazy again, because EVs were supposed to be, right, tax-free and stuff like that in many places, but yeah. Bank of Japan monetary policy. Whenever, just guys, always remember, whenever Bank of Japan makes a move, it's always something massive. Okay? Always remember that. Whenever Bank of Japan makes a move, it's always something massive. It's something that I've personally seen in the last 6 years trading the forex market, and because I used to trade GBP, JPY so religiously, I've always seen that. And now look at this. The JPY markets have been bleeding any currency against JPY. They've been crying tonight. Like, you know, just look at this. Show me one other currency that can show you 750 pip move. And this is something I've seen twice. So yeah, this is just crazy. This is mind-boggling that JPY is able to pull this off. But again, it's expected. It was expected. No one really expected GBP and most of the JPY pairs to have such a big rally up without JPY intervening, right? That'd be crazy if we expected them not to intervene. So yeah, if you're a JPY trader, say what's up in the chat. If you like trading GBP, JPY, or whatever it is you trade, firstly let's see what you change. Man, for futures it's hard trading in this condition. In futures we need to use fixed lot, and man, these huge stops. Yeah, even then you need to know how to trade the futures. You know, when you trade the futures, you need to know when, what, how, right? That's the only thing that's going to give you your answers. When, what, and how. At least that's my personal opinion. Because futures is a difficult space to be if you don't know what you're doing. But look at USD CHF. We called this out last week, guys. We called USD CHF last week. If you took sells, right, you should have captured at least 240 pips. Where is that? No, here. Literally from here. Wow, more than 200 odd pips. Literally almost 500 pips, 300 and 400 pips. That is just crazy since last week. Again, if you guys focus on market structure, analysis, risk management, man, you guys gonna be winning all the time. And right now we're in this Euro USD trade. Just tell me who's in this with me. Anyone in Euro USD longs with me? Anybody in the Euro USD longs? Yo, I'm so happy for you, brother. Today I saw your MONEVIS video and I said, yeah, we keep growing. Let's keep moving forward. Don't stop. Now it's time to activate. Yes. Instagram comment soon. Guys, 10 of us, say what's up in the chat. Let us know what you guys are looking at. Right now, I'm in Euro USD longs, looking for potential continuation. We're staying above 500, which is fantastic. Hit that like button so we stay above 500 and continue bullish to give us a banger trade. Any news? Let's check for news. 7:30 p.m. news. We are 2 hours and 15 minutes away from news. Yeah, 2 hours and 15. So let's hope we stay above and continue bullish. That's what I'm looking at. Look at USD CHF, guys. It's been coming down consistently for the longest time ever. And ask the question, why is USD CHF falling so strongly? Right? Does anyone know the answer to this? This is an interesting question. Tell me why USD CHF is also going down in the chat. Put it down in the chat. Why is USD CHF also going down? It's something you have to know as traders. The fundamental aspect of it. Perfect. There you go, Andrew. Perfect. Safe haven currency. So when other safe haven currencies start moving up, right? JPY, CHF, gold, the main currencies start going down. So when one safe haven starts moving up, it moves with the others also. So CHF is pretty much correlated with JPY in many different ways. So let's see, NAS 100, 4%. Man, NAS 100 died today. I wonder what happened. But it was clear what happened on the news front. Right? Right over here. US warns G7 of potential Israeli attack by Iran within 24 hours. Within 24 hours. So, crazy times. Remember, if an attack does happen, all the safe haven currencies are going to continue spiking. So hopefully we get into some positions, right? Guys, hit that like button. Hopefully we get into some positions as market opens. NZD USD, beautiful market structure that is set up. But again, I'm waiting for the daily to shift market structure before looking to take a trade. Right? We look at shifting the market structure, breaking those highs, then retesting to continue up. USD CAD, like I said, I'm very interested in USD CAD. I'm just going to mark that as a point of interest. Gold, not bad. Gold going down like there's no tomorrow yet again. Andrew, you got any micro lots in on gold? Gold tanking, got any bets on gold? Come on guys, let me know in the chat, what pairs are you trading this evening? Let me know what pairs are you trading this evening. What are we looking good on? Let's see what we're looking good on. GBP USD also creating these rejections, very interesting. Right at the 500 level. What is going on? Can we go up? Alright, let's see. How far can we go? Come on, let's move. Let's move on up. Guys, hit that like button. 12 of us and 5 likes. What are we doing? It should be 12 of us and 12 likes. 1:1. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a day trading session again in the New York session. Whenever I get free time like this, I get to live stream. Let's see, 15-minute flipping, 20-minute flipping, 30-minute gonna close soon. Let me guess, 10 minutes, yeah. 10 minutes and the 30 gonna close. 45 looking very nice. Something that I wanted to continue. Alright. So primarily looking at price closing above these levels and potentially continuing. As long as we stay above 500, it should look pretty good. So I need price to stay above 500 and continue pushing on up. Let's just take a look at it. $5.20. US market opens at 5:30. So let's see, not US stock market, but the US banks open at 5:30. So that should be in another 10 minutes from right now. So that should be the US banks open. Let's see what's gonna happen. Come on, looking so good, man. Break those highs and continue up. Go to check. Guys, remember my risk on this trade is pretty small. It's about, what is this? 6.6, and so it's roughly around 1%, you could say. So if price does end up breaking the 5-minute market structure and trying to continue down, I'll be out of this trade. So let's hope price doesn't do that, because we're looking for a nice banger trade today. What's your guys' view on Euro USD? Let me know, even if it's opposing the trade that we're in. That's not a problem. That is absolutely not a problem. Even if it's opposing the trade that I'm in, let me know. Expecting price to stay above the 500 and continue pushing on up. Bum, 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 bum. Lot of rejections from that area, so we're gonna just hold tight. See whether we can get a spike above that level. I want the 500s to be held tight, but not from a resistance point of view, from a support point of view. $5.20. So markets 5:22. Markets opening in 8 minutes. Let's see. What are we gonna get? GUs are just ranging in the same place. Interesting. This looks like we could push down a little bit. AUD USD, NCD USD looking a little weird. USD CAD. Let's see. Euro USD still looks good. Still looks good. And that's how we're gonna look at it for now. Anyone in any particular positions? Anyone in any positions? Let's see. If you are in a position, let us know. So then we could possibly look at your trade and see how we could contribute to the analysis and confirm further. Come on, let's get a nice push. Euro USD. A nice push. Good, good. Hit that like button, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to join us here at the live trading sessions. Looking at a potential bullish move right out here. 15-minute looking good. 20-minute looking good. 30-minute looking good. Hourly looking good. Let's see, can we take out these highs? The goal is to take out these highs. Right? Can we take out these highs? We want to take these highs out and keep pushing on up. There you go. Give us some volume to the upside. If we can make 2% or so, that'd be fantastic. That would be fantastic. Can we take out the highs? Very nice. Very nice. This high is important also because then we get this nice clean traffic on the left to continue up maybe to 750. Yep, 750 is my break-even trigger, and we will probably look at we got our flat level also up there. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. We're about 1/4% up right now. But 1/4% never did nothing for nobody. So we're just gonna be holding on. Let's see, can we get 15, 20 pips? Then after that we break even. Let the trade run. Hopefully keep pushing on up. Market gonna open in 4 minutes. Hopefully market volume comes in our favor and continues moving on up. Alright, let's just take a... Oh, nice. Well, let's just take a look at the US stock market maps, eh? So, NAS 100 is primarily what we're looking at, right? So, when we look at it, this is all technology companies out there. So, this is the tech place which they've taken a huge hit. Just look at that. That is just so painful. Sorry, map. Not bubbles, map, yes. But they've taken such a huge hit. And the ones that did gain is like, look at some of them, 8%. Oh, wow. 7.3%, 7.9%, 8%. And like the big gains, MSI 2.9% was the max, Apple 0.69. So you can see they're struggling. But you know who's not struggling? We are not struggling. Let's go. Come on, push it up. 0.5% profit right now. Floating. Come on, break that high. Looking at it, break that high. Come on. Beautiful. Almost there to break that high. Almost breaking that high. Once we break this high and start moving on up, I'll probably break even. Allow the market to do its thing. Right now, it's raining like there's no tomorrow. There you go. Come on, who's in this with me? Who's in this with me? Let's go. 0.75% up. Come on, let's go. Beautiful. Look at that, look at that, look at that beautiful move. Look at that beautiful move. 1% up, break even. I don't need to lose any money on this trade. We're about 2.2% up on the account. This is NY open candle. This is the New York Bank's open candle. Hoping for momentum to the upside. Hoping for momentum to the upside. Looks like we can continue breaking these highs. Come on, who's in this with me? What a beautiful trade. What a beauty. Y'all have been, for those who joined the stream earlier, this has been there. We've been in this since the stream started. We took it live. 1% up. 1% up. Let's see. Maybe I will close one position when we're up here. But let's see. Nice. Very nice. Can we get some volume in our favor? Can we not go against us? Can we move to the promised target? Okay, sorry. I guess this is behind my video, so let's put this on this side. Let's just put this guy back here. Put this over there. Bam! Now you get to see it. Right? For those who are joining in for the first time, welcome, welcome. This is what we do every single day. We have taken a Euro USD buy with 0.3% risk now, which is risk free at break even. Looking at potential bull side momentum. Reason why we took this is because all time frames on Euro USD are bullish, right? And we're looking at continuation of bullish market structure, especially with the bias being so bearish. Sentiment being so bearish, where there's a lot of traders who are trying to short from this level. So that enables us to continue buying cautiously. We have bought cautiously and now we are risk managing cautiously. Expecting price to push up at least to 750, hopefully. If price does come back, no problem. We get stopped out at break even, we win nothing, we lose nothing. What happens is we get to look for multiple entries after that. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, we had a nice bullish engulfing candle from here, which gave us a nice bullish push up. And this is the opening minutes of the New York Open, right? So this is the New York Banks Open, US Banks Open, not just New York, but yeah. Good morning, America. Good morning, America. Let's go, let's go. I wanna push up to 750. Come on, come on. Push, push. Push, push. Anyone in a trade with us? If you guys wanna see this, can you see it now? Hopefully you can see it now. Yeah, there you go. Nice. This is gonna mean we're 2.3% up on the account. Let's go. I wanna go to 6%, 7% up. Who's in this with me? Guys, you can use the chat to talk. You can use the chat to talk. hopefully price continues pushing, gives us roughly about 35 to 40 pips in our favor, hopefully. Then we could look at big potentials. Anyone in a trade? Put it in the chat. Anyone in a trade, put it in the chat. We're right now 25 pips up. That's 10 and 14 pips relatively on each position that we got going. So you could say, oh, we're 10 pips up on the position, you could say, yeah. Roughly 10 pips up. I want a huge spike of volume, hopefully. If it could give us 2 QPs, I would absolutely be flattered. That's good, that's good. Come on, keep moving on up. Beautiful. 1.5% in profit right now. Beautiful. Can we push another 0.5%? Maybe we can close. Let's see how we react when we hit 750. That would be the goal, to hit 750. Let's see. Who is ready? Who is ready? Come on, don't come down. All we want to do is move up. All we want to do is move up. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Looks good still. Looks good. If it pulls back, it is what it is, no problem. I can put this in 2 pips profit just to secure my commission also. So the trade would have basically been no cost. Hi, where you been today, Isius? I've been around and I'm back. Yeah, I stopped streaming for some time. I was a little caught up with a lot of different things, but we're back now. How are you doing? For some reason, I remember your name. But yeah, it's good to be back. It is good to be back. Come on, let's continue up. You guys follow any of the streamers that used to stream you know, London session and stuff like that? You follow any of those guys? Cause I haven't seen any of them. I don't know where they've gone and what's happening with them. What was his name? Max? Stop loss matters. Champion pips. I don't know. They all just disappeared, like a whole bunch of them over time. But let's see. Let's see. Noise. Can we continue moving on up? Can we continue moving on up? Let's see. Was looking for your streams. Well, I hope you found it. Oh, it's good, guys. What's good? No one do London anymore. At least decent, I know. Yeah, I guess London became really difficult for some time. So even for me, I stopped trading London for a long time. But now we're back to trading London. Now we're getting some volume. Can you see we're going up? Well, I hope I can do justice for you guys and give you guys some good trades and some good times like how we used to before. But yeah, hit that like button and subscribe if you aren't already, but join the fam. Join the fam. Will we tap 750? Can we tap 750? Let's go. Let's go tap 750. What is good? Come on, can we continue pushing? I want 750. If we break 750 easy, then I want 1.1 flat. So it all depends on how we react at 750, but 750 is my first target, so no questions asked, just wait for it. You should do New York session too, yeah? Let's see what we can do. Next few weeks, let's just focus on bringing to the table what's best for the community, eh? Let's bring back the free live streams, give everyone a good time, give everyone some good trades, make some money together, have some laughs and good times, That's how we liked it. Let's keep going. Let's keep doing what we're doing. You used to stop your stream when Raja started. It was enjoy. Yeah. Trust me, there was some really fun times. We had some fun killer times in the London session. But the question is also, how many of you guys are trading the London session? Because I know a lot of people have stopped trading the London session, which is crazy. A lot of people have moved on to trading futures also, which is again crazy. Right, let's go. 32, can we push? Give us a 2% push up. Once we take this high out, will we continue pushing past 750 or what? Come on, what a banger trade. What are we talking about? Almost 2% up on this one position. There we go, going right here. Let's go, let's go. We're tapping into 750 in a minute. Come on, push up, push up. 2%. Can we take a 2%? Let's see. Is it gonna react there or are we gonna break through there? I feel like we're gonna break through. But whatever we do, let's see. Again, it's not about what we feel, it's about what actually happens. And what is actually happening. Who's in this with me? Hit those dubs. My. 40 pips on this trade. That's basically almost 20 pips up. Okay, now we need to keep a close eye on how we are reacting to 750. How are we reacting to 750? Okay, are we breaking it or not? Let's see attempt number 2 maybe. Let's see attempt number 2. We still haven't tapped in a 750. Interesting. Attempt number 2 maybe. Just watch it, guys. Just watch it. If we break through 750, we're gonna continue on up. But if we start rejecting, I wanna close some partials, you know? You know that thing. So just wait. If we start rejecting, then we will take some partials. If not, I'm gonna look at holding it. Interesting. Always invite to me. Yes. Come on, you. Flip it up. Yeah. Come on, let's go up. I want to see how we're gonna react to 750. Looks good to continue up, guys. Okay, wait, let's see. 200. How much do we need? About 800. Let's just say 800. 400 plus. Let's just see. 300. 450 plus. I need about 800 too. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put my stops up there. So we make something even if, you know, it goes down. Let's see, 475, 490. Yeah, that's a good level. That is a good level. So this would be $800. That should take my account above 2%. I feel like price is gonna continue breaking on up, but again, it's not about what I feel, so I need to do what I see, right? So what I'm seeing is price is potentially rejecting from this area, so I gotta potentially safeguard the profits that I do have, right? So that's good. Safeguarding what we do have is very important. Very, very important. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. So the next trade I can take on this account should be like a 2% risk, most probably. Let's see. So price failed to break above 750, which is all right. USD CAD is about to take the 4-hour market structure low, which is fantastic for what we're looking for. GBP USD push it on up, which is again fantastic for what we're trading, which is Euro USD. Beautiful. So we're just gonna hold and wait. Come on, let's see it break above 750. I really want to see a break above 750. I want to see a good break above 750. Yes, W is in the chat. Beautiful, Yagami. Alright. Tell me now, is there any pair you guys want me to look at right now? As we're starting the New York session and looking forward to probably NYSE Open, is there any particular pair you want me to look at? No, don't do that. Go up. Is there any particular pair you want me to look at? Looks like market is rejecting, but we are going to secure, so that's also good. Oh man, don't reject like that. Let's see. Let's see, can we get a nice spike up to take out the highs? A nice spike to take out the highs. Some future pair like NAS and gold. Awesome. We're gonna take a look at those. Okay, let's take a look at NAS, because I will personally be trading NAS 100. So if I were to look at NAS 100, first question is, where are we? Right? Previously, we rejected this particular area, which we have rejected today also. So that's around 350 to, let's say, 250. 100 points. 250, 350. Alright, secondly, let's look at our market structures. 4-hour time frame. Literally, zero market structures, just been dropping for a few light years. On the 1-hour time frame, we have a high that we've now formed. Right? 1 second, let me just see how our trade is doing. Oh, we had a huge bullish engulfing candle. That looks nice. But that kind of looks like we're getting some volume in the markets, which is interesting. Like to see what volume this is and where this volume is going to take us. Okay, and so NAS 100 looks like we're going to take these lows out, right? Right over here, this low, which after which we can start shorting again. The main point is breaking this low and then shorting, not before. You short before, then you're gonna get hammered. Personally, I like to short after the lows have been taken out. Well, gold on the other hand, what is happening is gold is free falling right now. Right, can you see? Because of all the tension and everything, gold took some time to react, unlike the other pairs, right? But gold, once it reacted, it just started dropping like helter skelter. So maybe there are things about the war that is coming to the news further and further, which is making it even more volatile. Nothing yet, but gold is dropping heavily. I really want to know what is happening because gold today has dropped, yeah, about 500 pips from the tippity top, 900 pips today. Wow, one daily candle, 900 pips. Man, that's a fortune. Some can make an absolute living killing on that. So yeah. Oh, JPY had another drop, 3.4%. Okay, no, it's just continuing. That is just mind-boggling that JPY can move that much. Just look at this. The markets are bleeding. S&P 500. Just look at the S&P 500. Man, this is sad. Let's see. That is just crazy. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't even know how people are gonna survive this right now, because when you see something like that, guys, trillions and trillions of dollars are exiting the market. Trillions and trillions of dollars. Okay. Okay, let's see how's my trade doing. We went up there 2 times and we didn't break twice. Okay, come on. I'm allowing you to do your thing. Come on, allowing you to do your thing. Break up and go. It's fine. Even if you don't break up, it's fine. We will catch you. We will catch you. Yeah. All right. Dun 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 dun. Very interesting. So this is our demo account, futures account, which we are gonna trade. We have another few days left on this demo. So let's see whether we can keep it positive. Okay, come on, push up. Give us some good volume. So you can see around the 750 area, we are really struggling. Struggling around the 750 area. So makes sense that we brought our stops up, because is there a potential to break up? Yes, but we don't want to play with our profits, right? So we're gonna let it stay. Let it stay. Right now, if I close, we're close to 3% up. Let's see. Let's see. 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, all still active. 2 hour time frame, H3, H4 also still active. So that's kind of why I'm letting it run, because there is a potential if we get volume in that direction. If we don't get, it's fine. I would really like volume in that direction though. 2 candles, spike past, keep going. That's it. Give us nice spikes to the upside. Come on, let's go up. Let's go up. So yeah, guys, put it in the chat, hit that like button, say hi. But yeah, this is what we do. Hopefully price continues moving on up. That'd be fantastic. Let's see, H4 coming in soon. Most likely gonna make some money on this move. If we break this high, I'm gonna bring my stops up to those lows. Secure some more profits. Right? But that's if it breaks up. If it doesn't, it is what it is. Pulling back strongly. I don't see it happening, but if it does, let it happen. Gold is really killing. What just happened on gold? Gold just died another bit. That's just crazy. You should have taken the breakout over here. For whoever does trade gold. For me personally, you guys know I never used to trade gold. I used to look at it but never trade it. But you could have taken it from somewhere here after taking out of this low. But it looks like it's just dropped vertically after that. So even if you had a good stop, that stop is like 100 pips. So I don't even know. On days like that, I personally don't think you can catch a falling knife. But yeah, I prefer not to say. Or do, because that's just gonna come back for you. It's just gonna come back for you. Can we continue on up? Come on, come on. Look at 4 hour in gold. Okay. 4 hour. Wow. That's kinda expected though. Look at the way it's set up there. After taking this low out, so we took this low out. Then we went up for a retest of a supply zone. Let's see, what's a supply zone? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you could say that's a supply. Ooh. That is so nice. Look at that. Perfect head and shoulders. All the way from Timbuktu. 800 pips. Nice. Of course, in hindsight, it's different. But that is beautiful. Almost as beautiful as this EU trade, which we are allowing it for a second time to go up to the 750 level, just to disappoint for a second, third time. Okay, let's go. This time we will not be disappointed. Well, I hope we will not be disappointed. 2k, 2% floating, come on. NAS W to me. 1 minute, let's look at this. Oh, come on. Interesting, a 5-minute engulfing candle all the way up there. I don't like it because it should have been a 5-minute engulfing candle above 750. So even right now over here, we need price to break it. You can see that this area is a dense area. I can close one position and allow the rest to run, but I rather take my chances at allowing the entire position to run than closing some. Because I'm anyway securing profits as we go up, right? So the minute price breaks above 750, we will push it up here. 500 per position, so that's about 1.1k. Right now it's about 0.8% in profit. Next will be 1.1% in profit. Then we keep moving on up. Come on, come on, let's go, let's go. Beautiful, so close. We just need a spike in volume. $55 minutes, 54 minutes to NYSE open. NYSE open. Can we get a spike above? Come on. Yes? That's the kind of volume. We kind of need some erratic volume to get above. We need some erratic volume. 40 pips. Man, we can close 2% right over here. But I know that when we break 750, as long as we don't reject it, we're gonna continue moving on up. Oh, so close. What do you guys think? We're moving on up? Euro USD moving on up? Put it down in the chat if you think so. Oh, let's go, come on. That looks so good. Why are we waiting? No. Beautiful, that looks beautiful, come on. Okay, so is price struggling right here? I think price is struggling right there. We tapped in a 750. But I'm gonna give it a second, I'm gonna give it a minute just to show me whether it's struggling because it's going to burst out of it, or it's struggling because we're genuinely gonna reject here and the orders for shorts are coming in. Take it. There you go, we're above now, 750. Since we're above 750 now, I'm holding. Since we're above 750, I'm holding now. That is what I wanted to see. That is what I wanted to see. Moving stops up to secure some more. Beautiful. That is exactly what I wanted to see. Beautiful. So you see what I meant by if we take out those highs, we're going to continue moving strongly. And right now this is strong. That was another 5 to 6 pip move instantly. Let's go. 4% up almost. There you go. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now my next target, 1.1 flat. Hopefully this doesn't reject this level. Beautiful. 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 Move up, come on. Move up. Move up. Now I can close a considerable size of my position in really good profits, but it's all about holding, juicing out your winners, right? Juice out your winners as long as you can. This should continue up to 1.1 flat. We're gonna juice it. That's it, that's it. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on, 2.8% up on this trade. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful move. What are we talking about, guys? What are we talking about? What are we talking about, really? What are we really talking about, honestly, at this point? We're about 4% up on this trade. I think we can get at least 6% on the account. Maybe not 6% on the trade, maybe 6%, who knows? But this is looking beautiful. Come on. Come on, guys, hit that like button if you didn't see this entire trade just play out in front of you as I called it. And manage risk on it. Watched it. Wow. Let's go. Huge trade, 3%. Huge trade. Taken right over here live for you. Let's go, come on, let's go. Next one, next QP, 1.1, come on. Okay, let's go 7,850. Let's go, yeah. 1,000. Okay, I need 1,000. Yeah, 800 odd. Okay, so that would close my positions at 3%. So that's fantastic. Again, securing more as we keep moving on up. Today's yes. Let's go. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. 3%. Can we continue pushing? To 1.1 is what I'm looking at. I really don't see anything stopping it from going on 1.1 straight. Let's see, let's go back on the 1 hour and see what's stopping it. Oh, we do have some highs over here, which could stop us. Let's just check our buys. 87% sells. We're continuing, guys. We're continuing. The more others sell, the more we buy. When the sentiment is sells, you just keep buying. That's it. What a beautiful trade. My. What a beautiful trade. So I got 1% floating in profit while I've secured about 1.7%, 1.8%. So 1% is floating, 1.8% is taken. So, but you can see my stop loss is brought up, just so that if it does start rejecting, I will close in at least 3% on the account. Beautiful. That looks good. Nice, 3.2%. What are we talking about today? Gosh, let's go. Make the money, take the money, let's go. Beautiful. This trade, man. This trade is going ham. God is good. Almost 70 pips in total profits. Tempted, but we gotta stick to the plan. We're about 4% up right now. Easy to close trades. Continue pushing, but the plan is to go to 1.1. So we're gonna stick to that plan and let it do what it do. If we don't stick to the plan, then on a time where we can make a whole ton, we're not going to make a whole ton. Today there's a potential for it to come down, take us out at 1.7% profits, but another day there's a potential for it to move 10%. So save your discipline, so on that day you would be there in that trade. .5%, it's actually kinda easy to close at 4% and leave a 0.5% running right now. It's a little easy to do that, but again, I don't want to do that. There's a potential for us to close at 6% profit. Let's leave it for 6%. Wow! What are we talking about? Look at that. 80 pips almost. 81 pips. Guys, come on. What are we talking about? Let's go. Let's go. Pump it, pump it, pump it. 4.2%. Up 5% up on the account. Look at it. We're about to tap 1.1. Look at this banger trade. Absolute banger. About to tap 1.1. Can we tap 1.1 where we will close some profits at that point? Come on, tap into 1.1. Oh, we passed 1.1. Come on, who's in this with me? Let's go. Oh, we're moving. We're moving. Can we hit TP? Can we hit TP? 6% up on the account. What are we talking about? What is this push? Look at that. We're about to hit TP, guys. 2.6%, 2.5%. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 2.9. Yes. Oh, that would be fantastic if we were to hit TP. $500 away from finishing this challenge. Guys, I am ecstatic right now. Just look at that. 4.5 lots, close it. All I gotta say is, what are we talking about right now? Let's go. 300. How much do I need? I need like way too much. 900. Yo, Dubs in the chat. What are we talking about? Let's go. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you. Let's look at the account overview now. Now, what are we talking about? 6%. 1% left to win this. Finish this account. What are we talking about? Look at where we took TP. Oh, so good. What a trade, yeah. What a trade. What a trade. I'm bringing my stop loss back down to just pure break even. Just gonna let this run. What is this? Probably need some 900 on. Yeah, just gonna let that be. We're gonna look for a second trade to see if whether we can finish this account. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? That's what we're talking about. Woof! Woo-wee! Would you look at that? What a trade. Yo, thank you, Andrew. Thank you. Let's keep going. Let's keep smashing, man. That's what we do. That's what we do. Would you look at that? Secured 6% on the day. Let's look at all our history on this account. You can see this entire account, okay? Started this account on June 12th. It's now August, of course, because I haven't been trading this account much. You can see 1 day, 2 trades, then 3 days in between, then again 2 trades, then like 10 days in between, because I haven't been focusing on this account. Since I started live stream again, I thought, but look at the size of my losses. The biggest loss is 625. The biggest win is 2700. The difference in size between my my win-loss ratio, absolutely phenomenal. Let's go. Beautiful. There you go, guys. You can see my stats if you want. Just take a look at my stats. What a trade. I mean, if that doesn't speak, I don't know what does. If that doesn't speak, I really don't know what does. Just being patient, waiting for the right setups. Oh, what more do you need? What more do you need? And look at the pairs, guys. Just look at the pairs. Only GBP USD and only Euro USD. I've been so consistent with just trading these 2 pairs, making money on these 2 pairs. Unparalleled. Unparalleled. I hope this shows you guys something, you know, about the way we trade and how we trade. Oh, what is the highest number of pips we reached in this? Let's see. reached around 106 pips in total profits, but that's 106 pips, that's roughly 53 pips on each position, right? So that's what's fantastic, guys. Like, that literally just calls my entire day. Beautiful. Let's go. Brilliant. What a trade. What a trade. That's all we got to say. We went right up into the previous resistances. We spiked above all these highs actually. Very interesting. Wait, let me just put this resistance up here because the daily time frame we have some clean traffic towards the left. Let's see. Okay. This is what I'm gonna look at. Price is gonna come back here again most likely, in my personal opinion. We have this level here too, 500. Trick or treat. Price could potentially come up there actually, because I feel like that's a little big of a pullback to come down to. Let's see. But very interesting. Price took out the previous high, so interesting. That's all I have to say. If we're gonna continue down, we have to take out this low. So whatever happens before that is buys all the way. So this was the previous resistance. I want to remove this marking right now and see what we're gonna get. Amazing. Amazing. Feel free to ask any questions in the chat, guys. Feel free to ask any questions. Did anyone in the chat take this trade with me? Let me know. Did anyone in the chat take this trade with me? Let's see. Also, 33 minutes to New York Open. We're 6% up. Floating profit. How much do we have running? $160 of floating profit right now. But look at that exit. Beautiful. Beautiful exit. That push was so good. Beautiful exit. Beautiful entry. 250 maybe, yeah. Alright, I just closed the entire position because we just need 0.75% to reach our profit target, so may as well just let it be for now. And tomorrow when we get a good trade, or today if we get a decent trade maybe, or GU maybe. I just need a 10 pip scalp. Not even a 10 pip, 7 pip scalp. I'll use a 10 lot. No problem. Today ECS. Today ECS. Risk to reward, guys. Crazy risk to reward. 1.3% risk, 4.8%, 4.9% reward. So 1:4 easily. Amazing. Let's see. GB GBP USD, we're just hovering around this area. I don't even know why we're wasting our time there. NZD USD, USD CAD. USD CAD took out the 4-hour market structure, guys. I will not be surprised if USD CAD comes up here, rejects and sells off right over there. Not surprised if it does that. Oh, that was good. That 4-hour break of market structure. Oh, that's a new 4-hour candle. Would you look at that? I'm in love with these pairs right now. Okay, NAS 100. Let's take a look at it. I don't like it. So NAS 100 also. This is again a demo account which we've been back testing. So on this particular one, of course, my win rate is down. Let's just look at all, because this month is, there you go, only 38% profitable. So that's like 40% profitable, you could say. But my win ratio has been crazy. My biggest losing day was $1,000. My biggest winning day was 3,840. So yeah, you can kind of see the way I've worked through this account. Trades over here, lots of losing trades, big winning trades. So yeah, again, it's like it just depends on how you look at it. For me, it's basically risk to reward. My whole perspective has changed. Risk to reward is essential. Yeah, we need to work on it today, ECS. We should slowly start working on it. And I think that's what we see with most of the profitable traders also, that they stop focusing on the minute one-to-ones and focus primarily on the big trades. Mainly focusing on the big bangers, that's it. Because you're looking at leveraging your big trades, right? Interesting. I don't know if you guys watch some of these futures traders, like Patrick Wayland and stuff like that. Man, that guy is so funny. You can just watch him and you can watch him for entertainment purposes. That guy is just so funny. Oh wow. Guys, has Donvo stopped streaming? What? I have no clue. I have no clue what you just said today, ECS. I don't know what you're saying in there, but yeah. Let me know, has Donvo stopped streaming? At least it looks like it. He hasn't streamed for 9 days, maybe he has a reason. But yeah. I hope you guys are trading the New York session, because the New York session is where you get a huge host of volume. and it's really nice to use the volume to our advantage. So even Nasdaq right now breaking above the 15-minute highs is nice for some longs. Yeah, but for me personally, I just wouldn't touch it. I don't like the way things are right now because I can't really predict where market wants to go in these conditions. Yeah, I really don't know where the market wants to go in these conditions. So predicting in a market which I'm not sure of the direction. Of course, we know it's shorting right now, but you know some of them are buying, which you don't want to do. You don't want to be buying in a seller's market. But I mean, I've seen streamers buy for like 10 ticks, you know, 5 to 10 ticks, 20 ticks. That's it. But for me personally, I say like that's kind of gambling when you just, you know, in and out 10, 15 ticks. But yeah. But guys, those who missed the opening of our stream, we took a big Euro USD trade. We held it for about 50 pips. We made about 5% on that one trade. Our rest of the word was 1:5 almost, which is actually 1.3%, which we made 4.9%. So it was fantastic. We managed our risk and reduced our risk as it came along. So now our account is sat at 6.09. Actually, this should get updated. 6.25. So we're 0.75% away from completing our profit target, which is fantastic. And as usual, we do what we do. So looking at it, how many more minutes? 24 minutes to see the New York Stock Exchange open. 5 minute on Nasdaq buying. The crazy thing about Nasdaq is every minute candle is like a 20 pips at least, you know. In my personal opinion, like I don't know how other people count it, but I count every dollar change pip, right? And so it's just crazy. Every like just look at this. We've gone from 420 to 570 in literally like 5 minutes, which is crazy. This kind of momentum in the forex market would have been fantastic, but again, that would have been made it more dangerous. But it's kind of the reason why I like trading futures also. It kind of adds that element of danger, and then I remove that element of danger when I'm trading forex. So it's nice. It's nice. Oh, this would have been a nice trade. 13 pips. GBP USD is looking actually very nice, but Nasdaq, I would say let's just wait for some time and get some clarity on it. Let's just wait and get some clarity on it, because I feel like until we breach these highs in this area, right? So look at this, price is primarily coming down. Until we breach these highs, I do not think we're going up yet, because what we're doing is we're just coming into this range, you can say, this area, which since we are bearish, we should now reject this area to come down, right? But again, that's not based on what everyone thinks, that's based on what I think. So yeah, so that's why I'd want to be cautious of this level right here. 1 minute candle, so there's a potential to continue keep going down. So what I could do is like, wait, let's just since it's a demo account, let's just follow that plan, MNQ, right? So let's just look at a 5 minute time frame. Yeah, we're clearly below this previous support area, you can say. So what we're gonna do is we go to the 1 minute and continue shorting. Let's see. Let's sell market. Guys, remember this is on a demo account because I'm still not used to futures. This is just all trial and error. Interesting. So 648. So 600 would be 50 ticks. 675 would be 70 ticks. So this is where I'd want to buy market. Okay, so you guys see what I'm looking at? If we break this market structure, I'd look to get out. If we come down, I'd actually look at price continuing further, but yeah, I'd be cautious. 400, 400, 17,400. Let's see. Depending on how our backtesting goes, we will trade Nasdaq during the NYSE Open. And this is the last week of backtesting on demo for Nasdaq. So yeah. After this, we will look at going further into trading it live. Because already this week we've seen that we've been profitable on the simulation account, right? For Nasdaq, we've seen that we've been profitable. So what are we doing? We're just trying to confirm and be sure, because when we take our trades, we want to make sure that we're winning, right? So guys, if you're new here, say what's up in the chat. Firstly, hit that like button. Thank you for joining us here today, but let's see, big things in store. I'm not going to buy Nasdaq because it's in a bearish market. I'm not looking for these minute scalps, so that's why we are shorting Nasdaq. But let's see. Like I said, I could be completely wrong about this, but this is the last week of backtesting before we go to live trading the Nasdaq. Maybe we could look at a potential prop firm which trades futures if you guys want me to look into that, which I don't mind. But put your suggestions in the chat. We just won this trade on Euro USD, of course, which was fantastic in easy 50 pip W. So yeah, just gotta keep going. Let's keep going. Nasdaq right at the level which we were looking at could potentially break through this level. Let's see. I will look at adding another position if we engulf this entire range. So that's kind of like, yeah, if we break that low, I will add another position and I will add my stops above that high. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, guys, on what we could do to bring more excitement to the New York stream, let me know. But the first suggestion is by hitting that like button. Then you know that, then I know that, okay, the stream is appreciated. And we can give the necessary information and knowledge you guys want or require. So if you missed it, like I said, beautiful trades today went our way. Let's see. Let's see how is price going to react. Let's draw a rectangular shape over this entire area from above here to above there. There you go. That's my rectangle. Can you see this? Which on the 5-minute time frame should show you why I'm shorting it. Can you see? I hope you guys can see this. Okay. Here. This was the previous range, which we broke below, and now we're retesting. So that looks good, right? To continue down. So that looks nice. Let's see. Okay, it didn't trigger me in. Very interesting. Very interesting. Didn't trigger. Triggered. There you go. I got my stop loss in place. Beautiful. Can you see we're running in some fresh positions? So now when I draw my quarter points, okay, so that's 635. So my next quarter point is at 610, right? So that would be up here, and after that 610, it would be at 585. At that point, I will break even on my positions. Alright, now bring this also down. Let's go 585. I'm only looking for about $250 a day, in my personal opinion. So let's see. Alright, we're almost there. We're gonna bring those down. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. 384. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close one set of positions right here, buy on market, and I'm gonna leave just one contract running. There you go. Close this, here you go, right below, buy stop one contract. Done. Just like that. Just like that. Beautiful. There you go. Today's session. Yeah, I closed the big contract which I was holding for a long period of time. But look at this. 2 contracts. Right over here, about $400 in profits from just 3 contracts. 1 contract left to run. Let's see, it just got taken out at break even, so you can see. Total of $420 on 4 contracts, which is brilliant in my personal opinion. We're looking at doing the same thing. It most likely is going to continue down, but if you're looking at trading futures, I feel like this is potentially the way to trade futures, because this is what you can see has been profitable over time. Nice, that looked good. So this should continue down. Did you like what you saw on how I'm trading my futures and how I'm looking to trade futures? Possibly starting from next week. Guys, hit that like button and put something in the chat. Say hi in the chat. Let me know if you like what you saw. Futures, I'm purely scalping futures. Nothing else. Pure scalping. Pure scalping. Let's see. Let's see, pure scalping. 6:48. 12 minutes to NYSE open. We just took quite a few, like I think we took about 50 ticks on we took 50 ticks on NASDAQ, which was good. Here you can see that was our trade just now. Looking for potential further opportunities. Let's see. Let's see how we react again. Let it come back to this level and then we see how we react again. Anyone else in the chat trading futures? Let's see. 7:30 there's the news also, so that's in about 50 minutes or 40 minutes. Okay, let's check gold out. Ooh, gold is a short. 4-hour candle, no bottom wick. 1-hour candle, no bottom wick. This is a pullback, but in my personal opinion, gold is a short right from here. But you need to find a decent entry. Gold is so dangerous. Gold is so dangerous right now. Because you have to ask yourself, what kind of stop losses am I gonna have right over here? Oh, there's the bearish engulfing. Maybe if that's your vibe, you can go for that. I personally would have gone for that, but I don't trade gold, so yeah. See, what you gotta look at is what is the higher time frame showing you? What is the higher time frame showing you? Right now, higher time frame is saying we are gonna sell off. That's all the higher time frame is saying. But again, we wait because we took out the previous weekly/daily low. So look at this. We have the weekly/daily low. So after that, I'd be more comfortable, you could say. Okay, Nasdaq back in the range. Let's see. Let's look at the 15-minute on NAS. 15 looks like it wants to go up. Let's look at the 30. This is where I will not sell yet. Wait and watch. Wait and watch. No problem. Lola, I was thinking of going short on gold. Yep, that's the idea. You have to go short on gold. Those looking at longs on gold, please do not look at longs on gold. Until the market structure shifts, there is no longs on gold. So don't look at longs in gold. No problem at all. Caution. Price is trying to break above the zone. Allow it to be. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep it going. Nice one. NAS 100 is right at the zone. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Nice. Oof. Strong. New 5-minute. Why though? So much strength. What was that? What was that? Impressive. Alrighty, gang. Don't over risk, don't over trade. Good New York session. Take it easy, fam. Take it easy.